recitation of that. So shall we start fractions 2? Fractions 2, just I will explain. Same procedure only in fractions 1 also. How we are doing in fractions 1. Same type of procedure. That is why giving more importance for fractions 1 itself. If you are fractions 2 is, it is based on fractions 1 only. So there are different types of fractions are there. Okay, there are different types of fractions are there. Have you heard about it?
One.
Improper.
Yes. There are the 3 types of fractions you have to study about is proper fraction. First one is proper
and mixed fractions.
Second one is improper fraction. Third one is mixed fractions. Okay. What are the 3 types of fractions? Proper fractions.
Proper and improper. And
mixed fractions.
And mixed fractions.
I will bring the pen. So there are 2 types of fractions. First one is yes, who came now? I am just now started. That's all. Okay, you can listen. You will understand it. What are the different types of fractions means? First one is proper fraction. Second one is
Improper
improper fraction.
And mixed fraction. And mixed fraction.
Improper fraction, and then third one is mixed fraction. Okay. So what is meant by proper fraction means what? Can you tell me about what is meant by proper fractions?
The denominators are equal.
The denominators are
no.
Numerators are equal. Denominator is greater than m.
Yes. Denominator.
Proper.
Wait, 1 minute. 1 minute.
And you didn't send the 9.4.
Yes, wait, I will send the note today.
Ma'am, should we write this?
No need of writing, just listen now. Okay? Yes.
When the denominator is greater than a numerator.
Yes. Now, what are the uses of fractions? What are the uses of fractions? Yes. Now, if you are having birthday at home, there will be 1 piece of cake will be there. You are dividing. Okay?
Dividing into equal.
Yes. So your friends, some parts will be given to your friends, and you will be sharing some parts, your parents also. Now you are dividing 1 cake into 10 pieces. Okay? You are taking some cake and dividing into total number of pieces. How many pieces are there? You are dividing 10 pieces. You gave 1 part to your father, 1 part you gave to your mother. And now what is the fraction that you gave to your parents? 2 parts you gave to your parents. Okay. So how will you write it as a fraction? Advait.
And 2 by
You are
10.
having 1 cake at home, birthday party you are celebrating. For the birthday party, you cut the cake into 10 equal parts. You gave 2 parts to your parents. So what is the fraction of cake that you gave to your parents?
10 by 2.
Not 10 by 2. Is it 10 by 2?
2 by 10.
2 by 10. Very good. It is 2 by 10. 2 by 10.
Proper fraction.
Yes. So you can say that, you can write it as 2 by 10. That means you took 2 parts out of 10 parts. Okay. So how much it became now, Ameya?
2 by 10.
2 by 10. Okay. It became as 2 by 10. Which is
Ma'am, I
smaller
didn't
here?
understand.
Numerator is smaller. Which is the numerator?
2. 2.
Yes, only one, only one. Ain al-Saba, what is the numerator?
2.
2 is the numerator. GB Chan, which is the denominator?
10.
10. 10 is the denominator. Which is larger, Zahra?
10.
10 is larger. 10 means what? Namsia, what is 10?
Denominator.
Denominator. That means how much is the total number of parts. Okay, that is called the denominator you are taking. Here, which is larger? Numerator is larger or denominator is larger?
Denominator.
Denominator is larger. So such type of fractions are called proper fractions. A fraction in which denominator is larger. Denominator is larger is called what?
Proper fraction.
Is called the proper fraction. Can you tell another example for proper fraction, Amal Fayaz?
Ma'am, 5 by 10.
5. Yes, Amal Fayaz, please wait. Yes, Mekha. Amal Fayaz.
5 by 10.
Yes, Mekha, please wait. Amal Fayaz, can you tell me the example for, please unmute.
3 by 6.
Yes, 3 by 6. 3 by 6. Which is larger? Niranjana?
6.
6 is larger. 6 means what?
Denominator.
Denominator is larger. So such type of fractions are called. Anyone is having doubt?
Ma'am, I join now.
Yes, no problem. You can listen. Devadat, you can listen now.
Can you repeat once more?
Yes, wait 1 minute. Yes. So a fraction, the fractions too, we are studying about different types of fractions. Okay. There are different types of fractions. And first part, that is in some cases, denominator will be larger than the numerator. Okay. In other words, you can say numerator is lesser than denominator. That also it is correct. Numerator is lesser than the denominator. Such type of fractions are called what?
Ma'am, can you say example?
Yes. What is it called?
Proper fraction.
Proper fraction. So a fraction in which denominator is larger than the numerator is called a proper fraction. Proper fraction. That much only I told now till now. Okay. Next one, we are going to second type of fraction. That is in some cases, the numerator will be larger. Numerator will be larger. Okay. So such type of fractions are called improper fractions.
Improper fractions.
Which is larger here? Ahyan? Which is larger? 10 by 3. There are 10 parts. Yes, there are only 3 parts.
10.
3 parts are there. You have to divide for 10 members. So that is called 10 by 3. Okay. Then how much will come? 10 by 3 it is called. Which is greater here? Ahyan?
10.
Numerator.
Numerator is larger than the denominator. Numerator is larger than the denominator. Okay. Then such type of fractions are called improper fraction. Is it proper fraction or improper fraction? It is called
Improper fraction, ma'am.
improper fraction. They are not proper fractions. Proper fractions means only the denominator will be larger. Okay. Then this improper fraction, that is 10 by 3. Can you tell another example for improper fraction, GB Chan? Which is larger in improper fractions?
5 by 4.
Yes, 5 by 4. What is the numerator?
Numerator 5.
5. Denominator 4.
4.
Okay. So numerator is greater than numerator. Devadat, is it clear now? First type of fraction is proper fraction. You studied now. Numerator is lesser than the denominator. Second type of fractions you are going to, numerator is larger than the denominator. Then another example, Nived.
Yes, ma'am.
Another example for improper fraction.
12 by 15.
No. Which is larger? Improper.
Improper.
Numerator should be larger.
12 by 15.
No. Which is the denominator there?
15 by 12.
15 by 12. 15 by 12 is the correct answer because it is an improper fraction. What is the numerator, Christo? What is the numerator in that fraction? Yes, Christo. 15 is the numerator and denominator is 12. Okay. So these are the examples for improper fractions. Anyone is having doubt? So
Yes, ma'am.
numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you
If
explain
it's
once more?
99 by 100,
Yes.
it is also called as improper fraction.
99 by 100. Which is larger?
100.
100 is larger. Denominator is larger. So it is a proper fraction.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Now, if you want to take all
Ma'am,
of
can
these,
you explain me, please, once more,
which one?
the proper and improper fraction?
You are having network issue?
Yes.
Yes. So listen carefully once again. Anything in between you are losing connection. Okay. So that if you are taking two fractions or first type of fractions are called if the denominator is larger than the numerator. Denominator is larger than numerator. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 or 6 by 7. Denominator is larger than numerator. Then it is called the proper fraction. Denominator is larger. Numerator is larger. That means 100 by 2, 100 by 5 or these are called the improper fraction where numerator is larger. Okay. Another type of fractions. Now, if you are having then some, what is the complete number there?
Excuse me, ma'am.
2 is the complete number. Which is the fraction, Guruchit?
Half.
Half is the fraction. So it is a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Such type of fractions are called what? Mixed fractions. Mixed fractions. Okay. So these are the important types of fractions. First one is called, what is the first one? Now, Catherine, can you tell me? Yes, please mute. Others, please mute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What is the first type of fraction?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Wait out.
Yes, Megha, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am. Proper fraction, mixed, improper fraction and mixed fraction.
Yes, proper fraction,
Improper fraction
proper fraction and mixed.
and a mixed
How will you
fraction.
define proper fraction? How will you define proper fraction? Which is larger?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. Which is larger? That is example.
The greater
Which is greater?
3.
3 is greater. What is 3? So a fraction in which denominator is larger.
Denominator is larger.
Denominator is larger. Be thorough with it. A fraction in which denominator is larger.
Larger.
It's called a proper fraction. Yes, Namsia, what is the next type of fraction she told?
Ma'am, can I give a word example for proper fraction?
Proper fraction, I told you about that. That means you are
Can I
having.
give you?
Yes.
Can I?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Which one?
Can you say improper fraction definition and proper fraction Definition.
Definitions once again I am telling you.
Fraction.
Proper fractions means a fraction with denominator. You can write the notes. Just listen. I will give the notes. A fraction in which denominator is larger is called proper fraction. A fraction in which numerator is larger is called improper fraction. And it is a combination of the whole number and a fraction is called what? The mixed fraction. Yes, George asked, which example you asked, George?
I'm nothing.
Proper
Ma'am,
fraction example I told you. That means you are having in the birthday, you are having 2 cake pieces and totally you cut it into 10 pieces and two parts you want to give your parents. So 2 by 10 you can divide it. You can say it.
Ma'am, can I give my example?
Yes,
Is
you
it
can
right?
give your example. Yes.
Ma'am, for example, suppose today is my birthday
Okay, very good.
and in my class there are 20 students.
Okay.
I have 23 chocolates.
Yes.
I gave 3 for my teacher and
Okay,
1
3 he
for
gave.
my...
Okay, very good. Yes, excellent.
So 20 by 3.
20 by 3.
Is it right, ma'am?
20 by 3, what is the example for it?
3 by 20.
No, what example it? For which fraction you are telling?
Ma'am, it is...
Yes, 3 parts you gave to your teacher. Okay, very good. So out of how many parts you gave to your friends? 20 parts.
Ma'am,
So
one for each friend, ma'am.
Yes.
1 for
Okay.
each friend.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. So shall we write the notes now?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Niranjana.
Excuse me, ma'am. I didn't understand
What?
mixed fraction.
Mixed fraction. It is a combination of a whole number. 5 apples are there with you. If you are dividing it into 2 members, each one will get how many apples? 2 apples, and half part of the apple you will give to your friends. Is it clear? So it is a combination of 2.5 you are giving. 2.5 chapatis you are giving to your, in the house you are distributing. One chapati, it is not sufficient, means you will divide and give to your friends. Okay. So that 2.5. No more than, and it is a combination of a whole number and a part. Okay. So shall we write the notes now? In class,
Yes,
you can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Fractions to proper fractions. You can,
ma'am.
yes, any doubt?
Ma'am, I'm not in my home, so I didn't bring roll paper.
Yes, you can write in the rough book and you can do copy afterwards. Fractions to proper fractions.
Ma'am, can you show the first slide?
Yes, yes, wait.
Ma'am,
Heading. Write silently, all of you, no noise. Fractions to proper fractions. Ainal Sabha, write in rough book. Afterwards, you can copy in your class notes.
Ma'am, can you show second slide?
Yes, wait. All of you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Who did not complete, raise your hands. Only raise the hands. Still you are writing, Namsia.
Yes, ma'am.
Only heading, that's all.
I'm finished.
Finished, Namsia. Shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I did not finish.
Who did not complete still?
Yes.
Ahyan, join now.
Ma'am, should we write definition on the second slide?
Yes. Next one you can write. Fractions to proper fractions. Can
you show the second slide?
Ma'am, can you show first slide?
is writing still?
I'm Akhil and
Are you having network issue?
You should only write fractions.
Fractions to proper fractions.
Ma'am, finish.
Ma'am,
Yes, next one you can write. Don't take much time for writing.
Ma'am, we have to write definition.
Yes, definition you write. Proper fraction. A fraction whose denominator is greater than the numerator is called a proper fraction. Only 2 minutes to complete. Don't take much time. Leon, are you writing? Leon,
And can you show the second slide?
this is the second slide.
And can you show a little bit down? Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Leon completed writing. Akshit,
Ma'am, we should write the example.
yes. Example also you have to write. Write the
Ma'am,
example.
can you show the next?
Please wait.
Not finish.
1 more minute I told you. Don't say that finished or not. Please mute all of you.
So 11:1, right?
11:1. Yes. Those who completed, you can sit and read. Definitions, no need of shouting, completed.
Ma'am, it's 11:1.
Please mute. I will ask them. Wait. Don't become urgent. How many of you are not completed now? Raise your hands. Don't say.
Akhil, second line.
Akhil, you have to write. What happened to Ashwin? Write fast now. Only 1 more minute.
Because of some network issue, I live in between.
Those who are completed, you can sit and read the definitions there. Ashwin and Akhil completed now.
Example. I need to write.
What happened, Ashwin? So much late.
And last exam, I have some issues. Sometimes I can't hear you also. Ma'am, can you show the next slide?
Yes, wait. Shall I change the screen?
Okay, ma'am. I'm done. I did.
Next one you write improper fraction.
Ma'am, can you show the
That one afterwards. This is the third slide. Improper fraction.
Not finished. Can you show the previous line?
Who is asking now?
Amal. Oh, yes.
Yes, Amal. Which one you need?
The second slide. First line is Amal. Ma'am, can you show second slide? I am writing.
How many times I asked you? Who is that?
Akil. Writing.
Akil not completed still?
No, ma'am. Example.
Why so much time you are wasting?
Example is 1 by 2, 2 by
1 by
3,
2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4 and 4 by 5. Right,
Screenshot Akil. Take screenshot.
Next one, improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Within 3 minutes, you have to complete it. 11-7, all of you. Again, no more issues. Joseph Ivan, are you writing? Yes.
Ma'am, I don't have hand rules.
Unruled sheet you are not having. I told you to write in rough book.
Ma'am, I am writing in ruled sheet. I didn't get the unruled.
Yes, no more explanation now. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me now.
For the mixed fraction, should we write the heading mixed fractions?
Not necessary. You can't continue it.
Okay, ma'am.
Because it will become lengthy. If you want to write, write and keep, no problem.
And the second definition is mixed
Second definition is mixed fraction. Combination of a whole number and a fraction. How many of you are not completed still?
Ma'am, I mixed the fraction only.
Mixed fraction.
Started. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
What is the example of mixed fraction?
Mixed fraction example 2 and 1 by 4, 4 and 1 by 3.
Okay, ma'am.
That are the examples for mixed fraction.
Mine is finished.
How many of you are there not completed still?
Ma'am, last line.
I'm finished.
Example.
Take a screenshot.
Ma'am, I am now.
Who is talking there in between?
Finished.
Sahara. Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Please write. Don't make noise there. Please write.
Excuse me, ma'am. And
Yes,
the
Monica?
examples is the second one, 14 by 3.
2 and 1 by 4. Don't confuse here. 2 and 1 by 4. 4 and 1 by 3. This fraction is different here. Complete number and a fraction.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So I am going to wind up now.
ma'am, only 1 more minute.
Yes. I am going to, shall I wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a
See you in the
nice
next
day,
class.
ma'am.